Hello, foodies. Have you tried that buttery, comforting aroma of that perfect Bangalorean masala dosa? We are talking about the secret star, the filling that makes the famous Rameshwaram Cafe unique, worth every single second. The legendary Alugadde Palya. Forget that bland mushy potato filling. I'm going to show you the authentic way to how to make this beautiful aloo palya just like Rameshwaram Cafe. So without much of it, let's see how to do this utterly irresistible and delicious aloo palya in my style. Let's do this. The ingredients required to make this aloo palya are as follows. First, here I've taken 4 boiled potatoes, 2 chopped onions, some gram dal, jeera, and some mustard seeds, half a teaspoon each, some turmeric, salt to taste, chopped coriander, chopped green chili, and some curry leaves. Here comes the oil, nearly 3 tablespoons is more than enough. And first, I've taken a pan and added nearly 3 tablespoons of groundnut oil. That's very important for me. I'm using groundnut oil. To this, when the oil gets heat now, I'm going to add the tamperings such as the mustard seeds, gram dal, and the jeera. It's very important that in any tempering, the mustard seeds should crackle up. Then only it will give it a maximum flavor. At this point of time, we'll add some curry leaves, and then we'll add the green chilies. Remember, you can adjust the heat according to your taste. I've just added 4, it's enough for me for the 4 potatoes. Perfect. Now look, I have taken 2 onions medium sized and chopped it somewhat thick. So it should be like this. Now we'll add, for every 2 potatoes, I'm going to add 2 medium sized onion, equal sized. So we'll add some salt and cook the onions until it gets soft. And this will take anywhere between 2 minutes. Perfect. You can see the onions are perfectly soft. Perfect texture. Then only we'll get a nice crunch of that. At this time we'll add some turmeric. Give it a nice mix. So then only it will give a nice yellow hue to the palya. Now look, I have taken nearly 4 medium sized aloos. I have boiled it in a pressure cooker and for nearly 2 whistles. Now the potatoes are perfectly boiled. So I'll crush them in hand. Not too smooth. If you want a buttery smooth, now you just make a fine paste of it, then you add it to it. So I'll just crush it in my hand. And we'll add some chopped coriander and give it a nice mix. If you want at this time, you can add some lemon juice. If you want a little bit of a sourness for this, you can always add a half a lime to this, and even that will taste better. For my liking, I don't like that much of sourness in masala dosa, so I'm skipping it. That's it. And there you have it, guys. That's golden sun-kissed aloo palya. It's more than just a potato curry. It's a symphony of subtle spices and gentle warmth of ginger and earthy comfort of the turmeric. And the signature slightly sweet tang cuts through the richness from the masala dosa. This is the authentic flavor of Bangalore right here, right on your plate. So if you taste the South Indian has your mouth watering as much as mine, please hit the like button, share this secret recipe with a fellow food lover, and tell me in the comment section below what's your favorite dosa side dish. Until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring, and keep it delicious. We'll see you in next time. Till then, Deepak Kshetra signing off on Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaskara. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.